Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Saran wrap ball to play, I guess you would call it the Saran wrap ball game. I'm sure you've heard of it because there was a ton of videos on YouTube that we saw last year, which is why we started playing it. But if you haven't heard about this game, it's kind of where you get like a grand prize. Usually it's cash. And then you wrap Saran wrap around it a couple different times in different directions, and then you would get another like prize, put it on top, and then wrap more Saran wrap around, and you just kind of keep going and adding stuff to it until it becomes like this big ball. And then you sit in a circle and everybody rolls the dice, and whoever rolls the highest number gets to go first. So that person gets to unwrap the plastic wrap, the Saran wrap, and try to get as many prizes out as they can. Meanwhile, the person on the left is rolling the dice, and as soon as they roll doubles, the ball gets passed to them, and the dice gets passed down to the next person on the left. And it kind of just goes around in a circle until somebody gets that grand prize in the center. So last year when we played, we had a ton of fun, and we're going to play it again this year, so I thought I would kind of document how we make this. So I always try to get like gender neutral like prizes, or I get like a variety of things that are practical that, you know, everybody would like. So I'm going to show you what I got. Now everything I got was from Dollar Tree, because these prizes can get pretty expensive, even with getting Dollar Tree stuff. So first thing that I got are these electronics wipes, and you could use these for your TV, you know, iPad, whatever. So I thought these were really practical for everybody. And kind of keeping with that theme, I also got this 12-pack of lens wipes. Everyone in our family and who's going to be playing, we all wear glasses, so no matter who wins this, I'm sure it'll come in handy. Also got some of these texting gloves. And then I got 2 packs of socks. I got one for the women with pizza and like these stripes. And then the next one I got for the men. It's just like these white socks. Then it comes with a gray pair as well. I also got this little 4-piece manicure set. And this my husband actually found, and I thought this was really neat. So you unlock this little part right here, and then you kind of, I guess, rev it up, and then you hit this button right here, and it's flashlight. So I thought that was really cool, so we're going to include that. I also got a pack of hair ties, some chapstick, and then this really pretty word search book. It has this really nice cover on it, so I thought this would be a nice addition to the prizes. So then, also I put candy in it, and it's really important that you get candy that's individually wrapped, just so that way you can break it up and kind of, you know, have more little prizes along the way. And I also recommend not using chocolate, just because with my personal experience, I put some like Snickers in there last year, and for whatever reason I had to take the ball apart because I messed up, and all of the Snickers that I had put in were smashed from like the pressure of being like wrapped. So the only chocolate candy that I found held up well are these Sixlets. So I got this at the Dollar Tree, and it comes with 25 individually wrapped packets. I also got these Werther's Original, and I think it's caramel apple filled. I got a pack of these Starbursts. And then I found these 3 packs of Pop Rocks. And I got this little, I think it's 20, the 20 count of this gum. And then the last kind of like snack item I got that we could, you know, break apart is this 4-pack of Slim Jims. So I'm just gonna, these come individually wrapped, so I'm just gonna break these up and put them throughout the ball as kind of little like added prizes. And then we have some bigger candy prizes to win. I got these Twizzlers, pull and peel. I think they're cherry flavored. And we also got the fresh licorice as well. And we found these gummy fun mix. It comes with, I think, like gummy bears and gummy worms. So those are all like the bigger prizes that we got. And then you can also put cash in your Saran wrap ball as well. So we just had like a couple singles on us. So I put them in these little containers. We had some left over from when we made like pudding shots, so I put them in here. I think I've seen people just put the cash in the ball, but I know when we played it got a little hectic, and I don't want someone to end up tearing something. So I got 3 of them, and I just put them in these little containers, kind of just to protect the bill. And then this right here is our grand prize. We put $5 in here. You can put however much you want. It's kind of up to you how much you want to spend, and you don't have to use, stuff from the Dollar Tree. I just personally do just to save a little money. But this is, we just got a little gift box, and we put the cash in here and taped it closed on the side. And this is going to be the core of the Saran wrap ball. So let me move the camera in closer, and I'll show you how to make this. So you're going to start with your grand prize, and you just kind of set it down, and you just wrap it, and then you want to make sure, especially with the grand prize, that you wrap it in different directions. So take another long piece. Oops. And then you kind of put it in a different direction, and just kind of keep turning the prize and putting it in different, putting the Saran wrap, kind of going in different ways as you go, because you want to make it as difficult as you can to get to this prize right here. Once you get this all wrapped up quite a few times, then you can start adding different prizes. So I'm just going to put a couple pieces of candy right here, and then I'm going to wrap these around a few times, and then just keep adding stuff little by little. Alright, so I added a couple more things. So now at this point I'm going to get these Pop Rocks and kind of put them on the side and start wrapping this way. So I've added quite a few more things. I added the gloves and some more candy and other prizes to try to round it out. You want to try to add things to different sides, kind of rotating as you're wrapping, just so that way it doesn't stay looking square, because you want it to look like a ball. So I'm going to get one of these, and I'm probably going to put it like right here, just to kind of push the ball more upward. Alright guys, this is the finished product. It's pretty heavy. I used up all of the candy, surprisingly. So I counted it up, and I think in total this ball costed about $40. So, you know, keep that in mind if you're gonna make this at home. You could definitely, you don't have to put as much stuff in it as I did. We're gonna have a lot of people playing, so that's why I wanted to have plenty of prizes. But let me know in the comments if you've ever played this game, and if you would want to play this game. It's a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!